Alrighty guys, we've got the trade recap video. If you guys were on the live stream, we did end up taking an L today, and it was an A+ setup, and it's a setup that I would take any day of the week, so I'm not really mad about it whatsoever. Coming into market open today, when we look on the higher time frame, clear that we're at all-time highs right now. We have this big 4-hour gap down here, and we had already tapped into this 4-hour gap. Hourly gap as well, we had already tapped into this right here, and we swept out this low. Coming in pre-market, we had already swept out, this low down here. We had already swept out London lows. We were up here. This is market open right here. It's better to look at ES to actually see what we were actually targeting here and the reasoning behind our trade. So market open was right here, 9:30. Chop around for a little bit, edge this low, come up here. We do make an SMT here. This is very important. We make an SMT with London highs. ES sweeps out London highs, so we have an SMT there. From here, we do see a discorrelation between the assets. Now, this is very important. This shows you that price action wasn't really the best. If we take a look, ES ends up sweeping out this high and NQ does not. And we put in equal highs at this point, and we put in this SMT. Now, this SMT ends up holding for a while and is the reason why we actually do end up losing our trade. But what we see price end up doing is dumping down lower into this unfilled hourly gap. We want to see price reject out of this area. We have this SMT down here that we're still holding with these lows on ES. This SMT still holding. So we have this A+ setup, higher time frame PD array, higher time frame SMT. Really nice displacing candle right here. This was like beautiful to see, displacing candle coming out of this. And then from here, we have a 3-minute inversion fair value gap. This is the highest time frame inversion within this leg. Take our entry here. Stop is just right here. Target the equal highs as like your break even 1-to-1, and then ultimately target this unfilled 5-minute, which then later turns into like an unfilled 15-minute or something like that. But what we see end up happening, I think actually the equal highs turn into a 15-minute. So what we see happening though, although unfortunately, is right after we take our entry here, price decides to shit the bed and chop around. So we see price go up, down, up, down, up, down. So we unfortunately do get stopped out of this trade. And it happens. Winning system requires losing trades, and that's just part of the game. So we move on from it. Currently 1 win, 1 loss on this week. We took a win on Monday, took an L today on an A+ setup, so can't really be mad about this trade whatsoever, and just going to move on from it. So yeah, hopefully, this was a good setup. So a lot of you guys probably took this same trade as well. So yeah, move on from it, learn from it, journal it, and yeah, tomorrow's a new day. So get after it, guys, and have a great rest of your day.